Lesson 34. Level B1. B1 plus. Had better. I had better. Story 1.
Anthony, 41 years old, USA. I had better revise my resume if I want this company to hire me. They are seeking someone with experience in my field, but I fear my current resume does not highlight my skills well enough. I'd better hire a professional resume writer to help me out. I had better not wait too long, or someone else may get the job. In fact, I'd better start looking for help now. If I get invited to the job interview, I had better find somebody to prepare me for it. It has been years since I attended my last job interview, and I'm not sure how to present myself to impress the interviewer. Of course, I'd better not claim anything I can't prove. If he or she asks me if I can speak any foreign languages, I won't lie and say I can. All right, enough talking, I'd better get to work now.
Story 2.
Lucila, 17 years old, Peru. My sister Gabriela is a terrible cook. I had better warn all my friends not to eat any food that she makes. To be completely honest, she is all thumbs in the kitchen. She had better not try to fry anything, or the hot oil will explode. If she doesn't want to cut herself, she had better not slice any fruit or vegetables. She almost cut off her finger once while trying to slice a tomato. The whole kitchen looked like a horror movie scene because blood was everywhere. She had better learn these basic skills, or she will injure herself even more seriously. Or maybe my parents and I had better not let her into the kitchen ever again. She had better earn loads of money in the future to afford to order her meals every day or to hire a chef.
Story 3.
Olivier, 27 years old, France. It has just been announced that my friend Philip's favorite band will perform in our city in 5 months. That's a perfect coincidence because it's his birthday next week. I had no clue what gift to give him, and now I finally have the answer. I had better call Philip's girlfriend and inform her about my idea before she buys a ticket for him, or before he buys it himself. She had better keep this secret, or she will ruin the surprise. Philip had better not know what I'm planning because the tickets are quite expensive. If he found out about my plan, he would probably not allow me to buy the ticket for him. He is a great friend, and I want to do it. I'd better hurry, or the tickets will sell out. The band is very popular worldwide, so I'm sure it will happen fast. They had better play Philip's favorite songs, or I will be disappointed.
The end of Lesson 33.